Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device off and removing power. This prevents shorting while you work. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and clear a well-lit surface. Use a size-appropriate screwdriver and a spudger to remove the back and keep screws organized in order. You'll take photos as you go to ensure proper reassembly. Do this now so you can access the volume button assembly without guessing where components sit or which screws belong to which hole. You'll next inspect the volume button. Look for dirt, corrosion, or a cracked actuator that prevents contact. Once identified, use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab or a dedicated contact cleaner to remove grime. Let it evaporate fully. Make small adjustments to the spring or plastic actuator if misaligned, then reseat any ribbon cables and connectors. For extra certainty, test continuity with a multimeter while pressing the button. This tells you whether the switch completes the circuit when actuated. You now reassemble the device in reverse order, making sure connectors are fully seated and screws return to their original holes. Tighten evenly to avoid stress. Once reassembled, power on and test the volume across several increments and apps to confirm consistent response. If the button remains dead, swap in a replacement button assembly or test with an external audio control to isolate the fault. If that fails, you may need a replacement board or professional repair. Don't force parts that won't click as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.